Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm another super crafty girl. So today you must be thinking why this crafty girl is not doing any crafts. So today I've thought that today I'm gonna do you must have seen the title. So today I'm gonna make cute unique kitchen or fridge magnets. So let's start. So for that I've made this cardboard. I'm going to use this cardboard. I'm using a scale and pencil for measuring. So this is going to be 3 by 3 inches. And so let's start now. Okay, so let's start. So I've made, this by this inches. So I'm going to do like so. Do the same on the other one. You can see. And a giant line, so like so. I'm doing with the same on the other one. I've already made the markings. I'm gonna show you when it's done. This is how many I made instead of 3. Oh my god. Okay, so let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Oh my god, 17 out of 3. Can you believe it? From one exam board you can make 17 or 18. Now we are going to color them. I have painted them as the base color. Now I'm going to do the detailing. Now I have done all the detailing. Can you see these all? Wow. Nice, na? Now I have added the magnets. Now I'm going to let them dry for some time, and then I'll add it into the fridge or put it into the fridge. Guys, I can't wait to do it. Now I'm going to put these magnets into the fridge. These all are so good. Oh my god. The one which I really loved was this and this.